By the time you reach this level of the screen where we're going into the project package list view, you're starting to probably form some opinions about how this information is disseminated. The organize and visualization part of the application kind of spells it out. As you're going down through the drawing package and you're creating the top level, the assembly, and the sub-assemblies as you're going down through this package, you're organizing the information in a form that when you actually have the listing digitally, you can see how the information parses together. So you can see the actual drawing tree. And that's what the goal of this application is, along with some ancillary things, in that when you're doing this development and you're adding new pictures, new graphics, and photographs of the information and adding a narrative, this could be for yourself, or you could hand your iPad to somebody with a lot of information in it that they need at the job site or on the manufacturing floor. All of this kind of information is very helpful where people amend the information and or look at issues and take and put in quality issues or anything that they run across during the process of doing the manufacturing. They can address a drawing to make sure the drawing is correct and the process that is requested on it to be done is actually done in the form and way it was supposed to be designed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the first step in showing you a little bit more about that philosophy. By clicking on the project package list view, what we're doing is we're starting at a next level of a drawing tree. And in this particular case, it's going to list all of the current packages in the application. But let's say, for instance, that we created this particular level for the cabin cruiser, and we did a find on the top level part number and created a listing of only those items that are a part of the top level organization of this app. It would then bring down a drawing tree with the top level, the assemblies, the drawing name for the actual item, and then the subgroup of next assemblies down, which would be the sub-assemblies for this particular set of graphics and drawings. So you start to see that you would end up with a workable architecture. A couple of things that I've done in this particular screen is that I've added a sort capability. You can see how the cursor turns to a hand or a cursor when you're over the top of it, depending on the screen you're in. If you click on this, it will reorganize the drawing by whatever you click on. So the organization of this is based on the individual. See, like in the first two things I did, they were already organized that way, and you see them moving. If I go back now and click on the top level, it's going to do a hierarchy based on the part number first and the drawing number, the assembly drawing number, the drawing name, and the type. So if I wanted to even sort the type of drawings, I could do it by all the A drawings, all the exploded drawings, and whatever they were within the drawing package once I did the find on that. So just for kicks, let's try this. We're going to go ahead and take I'm going to copy the top level drawing number. I'm going to go into find mode. I'm going to go back in and paste it back in and then perform the find. And you can see now I only have two items that are below the top level. And here's the top level with the fuel tank mounting. Now you can actually sort these by the drawing number now. So if you clicked on the drawing number and it were out of order, it would put them in order. If you wanted to see them in the way that they were written as far as the names alphabetically, you could do that. Or the drawing types. In this case, all the drawing types were the same. So this is a very useful screen once you have a large number of drawings within the package that you're working on. As I stated before, when I did the find, you can see up here that I have a green button where I have records in selection. I have 3 out of the 5 total that are in there. And so I can also click on this to move down through the records. You can see the cursor moving down through the different records and highlighting the one I'm reading. This is a part of the function of this particular design of the application. Now the next thing that I'm going to cover is that you can go directly to the catalog for this record or the one you're looking at, or the drawing package, or the subassembly screen. And in the subassembly screen, it's going to, which we haven't talked about yet, it's going to break down even more information as far as cost and different information on the subassembly level that is this level down here. Okay, if you have any questions as before, you can always contact me by chatting online or sending me an email. Thank you.